grandfather clock down the hall. You just stand there by the wall. Your endless tick-tock talking, it doesn't help me at all. You stand there for many hours, counting minutes, looking sour. Any second you might break, like a dying wallflower. Grandfather clock down the hall, I can hear your chiming call. Your bell is a lonely knell that tells of my love's downfall. Grandfather clock down the hall, time to do a curtain call. The last scene on the big screen is her gone, as I recall. Grandfather clock down the hall, I'll stand with you by the wall.